Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a South Indian style chana masala. You can serve it with plain rice or any vegetable rice or chapati puri also. Here I have soaked 200 grams of kabuli chana or the white chickpeas. It has been soaking overnight. I have changed the water and now taken fresh water. So we'll add this chana along with the water into the pressure cooker. Now I am adding a little salt just for the chana. We will pressure cook it. Cook it for one whistle, then bring it to sim and again cook it for 15 minutes and switch it off. Now the pressure has released naturally. Let's open the cooker and check. See, it should be buttery soft. Only then the chana masala will taste good. Can you see how soft it is? Next, for making the masala, heat about 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add a teaspoon of coriander seeds or dhania, 3 or 4 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon, and some cardamom. Next, add in a few cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and lightly roast the masala. Next, here I have taken 2 large onions. We will add that too and lightly saute the onions. When the onions are slightly transparent, next I am adding the tomatoes. Here I have taken 3 tomatoes, medium size, and fry that also. See, when the tomatoes also become soft, now being a South Indian style, we are going to add coconut to it. I am adding about 4 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut to it and stir this also for about 2 minutes. Now we will switch it off and transfer all this masala to your blender jar. Now to this, add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of this cooked chana. Allow it to come to room temperature, then grind it into a paste. On the same kadai, I have taken 2 spoons of oil. I will add a teaspoon of this soap, also known as fennel seeds, and 2 green chillis I have slit. Stir them in the oil. Then we will add the powder masalas, haldi powder, some chilli powder, and mix it well in the oil. Next, add in the boiled chana along with whatever water is there in it. We already added a little bit salt while cooking the chana. Now for the remaining masala, I am adding some salt. Next, our paste of all the masalas is also blended well. I am adding some water to my mixie jar. First, allow the masala to blend well with the cooked chana. Let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. See, it is boiling well now. I am adding this more water so that I have removed all the masala from my blender jar. You can adjust the consistency. See, it is boiling well now and it has reached the perfect consistency. Now finally, we will squeeze the juice of half a lemon on it and switch it off. Now just top it with some fresh coriander leaves and your very tasty South Indian style chana masala or chana masala kurma is ready. To serve, I have some steaming hot rice here, and then we can add this South Indian style chana masala at the side. You can have it with plain rice, fried rice, vegetable rice, chapati, puri, whatever is your choice. A lovely, delicious meal we are going to enjoy for lunch this Sunday. Thank you for watching the video. Share it with your family and friends. And we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.